Does making chocolate chip cookies without brown sugar make any difference? Let's try it to find out. As always, in a bowl we start with the softened butter and all white sugar, this being an all white sugar chocolate chip cookie recipe. To be precise, I am using butter that is soft enough to be able to slide your finger easily, and in the case of sugar we are using caster sugar here. Beat this until the mixture is light, pale and fluffy. Let me show you how the mixture looks every now and then for your better understanding. This is how we started with the mixture when it is bright yellow and oh so grainy. Every now and then do remember to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl to ensure there is even mixing. After about 5 minutes, it looks something like this, mixed together but still not light in shade. Finally, our mixture is ready after about 12 minutes, looks so smooth and pale. Now take the time duration as a basic guide and do not strictly follow it, as it would depend upon the consistency of the butter that you began the recipe with and also the temperature of the room that you are working in. Aim for a mixture that is light and pale in color. Then let's add the eggs a little at a time. Stop in between to scrape the bowl and mix again. If you are looking for an eggless version of the chocolate chip cookie recipe, then I do have it on the channel. We'll leave the links for the same in the description box below. Flavoring it up with vanilla, mix that through as well. Combine the dry ingredients, which includes flour, baking powder and salt. Add it to the creamed butter and sugar mixture and beat until the dough starts coming together. Finally, fold in the chocolate chips. I am using chocolate chunks here. You could use either. Scoop out the dough onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and chill in the freezer for 20 minutes or in the fridge for at least an hour. At this stage, you can also freeze the chocolate chip cookie dough for months together and just bake specific amount as and how you crave for it. You can learn more about this from the blog post at spicesandflavors.com, again the link for which is shared in the description box below. After an hour, I am going to bake just 4 cookies at a time, as these cookies tend to spread a lot because of all the air that you had incorporated into the batter while creaming the butter and sugar. Leave some space in between and then bake the cookies in the preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 13 to 15 minutes until the edges are golden brown in color. Once out of the oven, quickly sprinkle some sea salt on top and also use a bigger size cookie cutter to give it a circular shape. Voila, your chocolate chip cookies without brown sugar is all ready. I love to enjoy my cookies warm, but you do you. And here is my final verdict. About the flavor, well, you would miss the slight, let me repeat, a very slight note of the caramelly flavor that brown sugar adds, but these cookies are absolutely delicious with its own flavor. In terms of texture, I do not find any major difference, so if you're running out of brown sugar or are not interested in buying it, even then you can enjoy a good chocolate chip cookie recipe to your heart's content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do hit that like button, and if you didn't, then feel free to hit that dislike button. Either way, subscribe kar lena please. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.